Good day, bearded adventurers. 'Tis I, the apprentice, and today we are going to be talking about the ever-dreaded topic of beard envy, but versus your beard goals.
May your beard be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Welcome to another video of Fable Beard Company. We're going to be going over the topic of beard envy versus your beard goals. Now, this is kind of like a personal topic, personal opinion video, and I'm sure that a lot of you guys are going to have your opinions on this. So if you want to, beforehand, go ahead and comment below, pause the video, comment below of your personal opinions about, what you envy of other people's beards, or what your personal goals are. And then at the end of the video, we'll have another opportunity for you to do like an after comment to see if anything has changed for you based on this video. Well, here at Fable Beard Co, we love to give tips, tricks, stories, anything like that. So if you're into that, if you have friends who are looking for something like that, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and we're very excited to have you here. So today, for our beard envy, I kind of want to tell you about my own personal struggles. I have been only trying to grow beards for maybe a couple of years. I haven't really tried until recently. And I have found that my envy for other people's beards can be really, really strong. As I'm sure many of you notice, for me, because this is something that I'm insecure about, I got patchy cheeks and I got very thin hair underneath my lip. Now, you know what? That's something that I have had to deal with for a while, and I'm learning to live with it. Sure, I'm trying to get past it and find ways to help the hair grow faster in those places, but overall, I have to deal with that. So insecurities first, we put those aside, and now envy. You know what? I'm sure we have friends out there who grow beards that are thicker, denser. I know I have friends who do it, and they grow hair easily. I wish that I had something like that, and I'm sure you guys have your own friends who are like that. And even if you don't have the personal friends, we have friends on social media. For instance, there are plenty of YouTubers, plenty of reviewers that have these long, dense beards, and they give great information, great reviews, and we're always like, I wish I had that beard. It's that coveted moment that we want their facial hair, but we're stuck with our own. Now, here's the thing. You got your hair. You have your hair, and you have to live with that. You have to maintain it. You have to take care of it. You have to have goals. If you don't have goals, you're not going to go anyplace. You're just going to be sitting in your one spot and feeling sorry for yourself. Now, you have to think about those goals. And first of all, goal number one, self-care. Take care of the hair that you have. Take care of the hair that's down at the base of your skin and also down at the tips of your hair. The whole thing is important. If you want to think about the future, you have to think about the now first. So goals overall, maybe that means that you also have to do trimming and maintenance. For me, I've been contemplating constantly, should I be trimming up my cheek areas? Should I be getting rid of any hair that's underneath my lip? Because it is patchy, insecurities are going to get in the way. But that's the thing. Insecurities only want to slow you down. I'm here to encourage you to keep trucking through. Keep working hard on keeping your beard clean and presentable. But also, if there is a goal that you're aiming for, there are plenty of people that you can learn from on any social media platform, really. And this is a strong community that will give great tips on how to do so. Last thing that I'll mention before we do our outro, when you're working with what you got, work what you got. I really enjoy the stuff that I do have, the sideburn areas underneath my chin here, and I love, as you guys probably saw from the handlebar mustache video, I love my mustache. Sure, it's not fun eating hair every time I go to have a meal or anything, but it is one that I know that people enjoy seeing on me, and it's something that every time I look in the mirror, it is something that I enjoy seeing on myself. So if you, with the hair that you have, work what you got, make people notice it, and, keep that maintained and keep it healthy. All right, adventurers, we really appreciate you coming to this video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We want you to be a part of this community, and we really enjoy the idea of you coming back. Now this is the time for you to have your after comments. Was there anything that I said that was encouraging? Is there something encouraging that you can say to your fellow bearded adventurers? We want to make sure that this community is strong and knit together, strong as the beards on our faces. So here at Fable Beard Company, we are really appreciative of everything that you do. And as we always say, may your beards be forever blessed and fortune and glory upon your door. Bye-bye.